Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Atkinson. We're going to look at 6.4G word problems. This is a mini lesson / guided practice, so you are welcome to follow along on a scratch piece of paper. Our target is I can solve word problems using fractions, decimals, and percents. Trenton made 15 out of 20 free throws. What is Trenton's free throw percentage? I can look at my answer choices and I already know 15 out of 20 is written 15 over 20. At this point, you should be thinking smart, not hard. Can I change my denominator into 100? Yes, I can. I can multiply 20 times 5 to get 100. What I do to the denominator, I must do to the numerator. 15 times 5 is 75. Anytime I have a number over 100, I can automatically rewrite that as a percent. Remember, percent is per 100. My answer is C. Which of the following are equivalent? When I look at A, it says 5% and 5/10. I know that 5/10 equals, and when I move my decimal 2 places, that is 50%. So I know it's not A. That's 1/5 and 25 hundredths. Well, I'm going to change 1/5 into a decimal. I'm going to go 5 times what will give me 100? That is 5 times 20. 1 times 20 is 20 hundredths. When I simplify that, I'm going to get 1/5. These are equivalent fractions. However, when I look at 20 hundredths, I know that's 20%. So I know that is false. I have 6 hundredths and 6 hundredths. This is in the hundreds place, so I would write 6 over 100. This one works. 10% and 10/10. 10/10 equals 1 whole. So I know that's not right. So my answer is C. A quarter is what percent of a dollar? A quarter is 25 cents. That's how much a quarter is. A dollar would be 100 pennies. 25 out of 100. What percent is that? 25%. It is not 0.25 because that is less than 1%. That's 25 hundredths percent. This is 2 5/10%, and this is 250%. My answer is 25% C. In order to be elected as class president, a candidate must receive 60% of the votes or higher. How is 60% represented as a fraction? 60% is 60% over 100. That percent sign means over 100. 60 over 100 can be simplified. So I know that A is not going to be the answer. Make sure you don't fall for that. 60 over 100 can be simplified. So A is not in simplest form. So I'm going to divide this by 20. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 3/5 is my answer.